Hello and welcome back to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. In this video, we will explore further topics from Domain 3 of the Certified in Cybersecurity exam, which is all about access control concepts. This video isn't just for exam preparation. It's also perfect for anyone interested in building a strong foundation in the world of cybersecurity. We'll really emphasize the importance of using multiple security controls in tandem, like physical, logical, and administrative, to increase overall protection, rather than just relying on one single method. So, make sure to watch till the end, because these topics are honestly the foundations of cybersecurity. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. Your path to becoming a cybersecurity professional starts right here. Well, the benefit of multiple controls is super important to understand. A control is basically a safeguard or countermeasure designed to preserve the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. We also discuss defense in depth as an implementation of multiple technical controls. Now we'll look at a scenario that uses multiple controls across the spectrum, including physical, technical, and administrative controls. Payroll is one area in nearly every organization that requires multiple levels of controls to ensure money is not mishandled. Most will agree that relying on a single control is just too risky. Let's look at an example: multiple controls in payroll. Multiple controls are often implemented to prevent payroll personnel from creating a fictional employee and processing a check for that employee. A logical or technical control ensures that a person who processes payroll is not able to create a new employee record and process the check. A physical control that helps reinforce that technical control is to ensure the actual paper or media that checks are printed on is secured in a place that is not accessible to the person processing payroll. Both of these controls can further be enforced by creating an administrative control or policy that regularly audits the technical and physical controls, by reviewing new employees added to the system, and by logging and verifying the numbers on physical checks. So, small and medium-sized businesses face particular challenges when it comes to technical controls, because they often just don't have enough personnel to separate duties within the payroll system. In situations like this, it might become necessary to implement only physical and logical controls that really align with the business needs. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Keep the momentum going by checking out the next video in the series. And hey, if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to Bluehat Cybersec Academy.